What is up, party people? It has been a while because I got really sick. So, welcome to the abridged version of Reading, Pennsylvania and Mashantucket, Connecticut. We had a one-nighter in Reading, Pennsylvania where we played the Santander Performing Arts Center. This theater seats just over 1,500. Santander is where, unfortunately, I got very sick right after the show. And I was so sick that I threw up on the bus on the trip to the next venue, which was not a fun experience. We had a 6-hour bus ride and I was nauseous the whole time. It was probably one of the most miserable days of my life. When we finally got to Mashantucket, Connecticut at the Foxwoods Resort, I was down for the count and went straight to my room and slept for like 14 hours straight. Fortunately, we had already done a no Kyle show. It was a really easy reblock for everybody. So whatever I had though, was only like 24 hours. So I was good to go for the Saturday 2-show day and the Sunday 2-show day. And we got to spend some time at the casino exploring the Foxwoods Resorts. At the Foxwoods Resort, we played the Fox Theater. This impressive resort theater seats just under 4,000. It was crazy! Foxwoods Resort Casino has 6 different casinos on the property, as well as tons of restaurants, a Tanger Outlets, VR thing that we did because it was awesome, because it looked awesome, and it was awesome. It's an incredible place to go for a week or a weekend because there is plenty to do. I didn't even go to every casino because I knew that I would spend too much money if I started gambling. I did play a little craps. I was up some money and then I didn't walk away from the table when I should have, and ended up breaking even. But that's how you gamble responsibly. I'm not advocating that you should gamble, but if you are going to gamble, give yourself a budget of a certain amount of money you can lose comfortably without it hurting you financially or you being upset about it, and see how long you can go without losing that. I got a good solid hour worth of play and I broke even, which is a good way to end the night. Honestly, the best part about Foxwoods was that VR thing though. We had so much fun shooting zombies in the VR game. We were yelling so much. There was nobody around when we started playing, and then all of a sudden when we were done, there was a group who had gathered because we were so loud. The past couple days have been pretty hectic for me personally, seeing as I got sick in the middle of them and there's just a lot of stuff going on. As a whole, we are going into the craziest 2 weeks of the entire tour. Over the course of the next 2 weeks, we play 14 performances over the course of 12 days in a row in 10 different cities. It's going to be an adventure. I will not be doing a video for every city. I just won't have enough to talk about. So I'm gonna see if I could break it up into 2 to 4 different videos. I might do a video a week again. Or I might do one supercut. We'll see what happens. It's gonna be an adventure. Anywho, thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams and cheers.
I love you.